Mark Deering here from REMAX. We've got another new listing for you. This time we are in Wyoming at a duplex. This is a multifamily home. Great opportunity. This place is in great shape. Maybe you're an investor and you're looking to add something to your portfolio. Maybe you want to own or occupy, live on one level and rent out the other and live almost for free. So come on and check this place out. Lots of updates. So let's check out this first unit here. This one is on the upper level. It's a two-level duplex where the other one's downstairs. So right away you're gonna notice fresh carpet, fresh paint, recessed lights, which was a nice upgrade, I think. Definitely feels nice and bright in here. Keep in mind that it's currently rented and this person just moved in, so things are kind of a little bit sorted around. Walk through the kitchen. Appliances are included in both units, so you don't have to restock the appliances for your tenants, including the washer and dryer. Something notable that we'll see in the other washer and dryer room is the new on-demand water heater. So it does have a new on-demand water heater. So let's head towards the bedrooms and the bathroom. This duplex actually has a really good rental history. I believe right now there is a 12-month lease, and I believe the other one's a long-term as well. It's so neat and clean, it's really easy to keep occupied. Let's check out this bathroom. As you can tell, in really good shape. I mean, not only is it great to own something like this, but the renters, this is how you keep them occupied, is you keep really nice places like this. Headed into the first room here. This is a 2-bedroom, by the way. Each unit is a 2-bedroom, so this is a real good size. I think that's a queen size bed. All right, so this is bedroom 2. You can see, nice and spacious, lots of natural light. We do have some new windows in the duplex. There's a lot of things that are newer, well cared for by the current owner. That's the first unit. Let's check out the second unit. So this, even though it is the lower level here, unit 2, you have daylight all the way around. So it's pretty much feels exactly like the upstairs. This does have tile floor down here, so maintenance free. Big couches, big furniture in here, but there is a lot of space. All right, so walking into the kitchen. Now keep in mind, we ask the renters for the favor of coming in and seeing their place, you know, to do some quick video, so it's not like they spit shined it for us, so ignore the day-to-day living, but it is a beautiful unit. This is where some mechanicals are. We'll get a little bit of B-roll of the brand new water heater back there. You're gonna walk down, pretty much identical floor plan. You're gonna have your full bath here, tile floor, replacement windows in the bathroom here. And you're gonna have 2 bedrooms. This is one of them, and we're going to not show this one just for courteous to the renter. So that's both units, and I think something pretty notable before we head into the backyard. Each has its own drive. So this gray vehicle here is in its spot, and it goes back quite a ways. And then over here, this unit has its own off-street parking as well, and there's room for, shoot, 4 cars if you did them stacked in. So it's a nice long driveway. So now we're in the backyard. Look at this, fenced in, privacy. Literally cannot see any other windows from where I'm standing right now. And the unit has, and the upper unit has a deck with a stairway down. Lower unit has a way to get out as well, so you can always use that as your main entrance to get in and out of your unit. All right, so there you have it. About $1,200 per unit is what's being rented. The current owner has a track record of all communication, all repairs. He's the type of owner that you want to take over a rental property with. The occupancy rate is amazing on these places, well cared for, great street. Give us a call for a private tour.